Yeah, let's do this.
Okay, it's showtime.
Hello, everybody.
Welcome to another episode of Bita's Kitchen Guest Chef Series with one of my favorite humans on the face of the earth, Chef Mojdeh.
Thank you.
خوش اومدی. Welcome.
Thank you.
You look fabulous as always.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Well done to Bruce for making this beautiful kitchen for you.
So cheers to Bruce G.
Seriously.
He's
cheers
sitting right
to-
there.
Yeah.
So Chef, what are you making for us today?
Okay, today we are making stuffed cabbage.
Stuffed cabbage, one of my favorites.
I just came up with a very nice
Oh
recipe,
my goodness.
vegetarian for you.
It's unbelievable, all the ingredients she has in there. It covers all the plant-based diets. You get your protein, you get your fiber, you get it all with so much flavor. I watched her prep. So can you go through this, like all the ingredients? I know that everybody's excited to
Sure.
hear how they can make a stuffed cabbage. Dolme, golpa.
Nah.
Hot,
دولمه کلم
bag.
bag.
من یکی از favorite های بچگی منه. My grandmother used to make this. Dad's side's mom, my grandma, my big mama, she was from Azerbaijan, so she used to make this. I haven't had it in so long. I don't remember the last time I had it, so that's why I wanted you to make this one especially. And I saw you make it before, so I appreciate you making it a vegetarian
Of course,
version.
for you and anything.
Thank you so much. So
Okay,
walk us through it.
we're gonna start with the sauce because
Oh.
we need a sauce to put on this cabbage. Usually, I make with this beautiful fruit candy.
What is this candy?
Okay, is tamarind,
Okay.
chili,
Wow.
salt, and sugar.
Oh.
You can make it at home with just these 4 ingredients.
And you can buy the tamarind, the fresh ones from
Fresh,
the market.
exactly.
They have them always in the grocery section, so you see them always there. So great.
With this
Ooh.
one, you know, I always want to have fun with the
Sure.
ingredients. That's why I found this and I said, okay, I have to come up with a recipe.
So-
That's why this is the one
So
actually.
did you buy it from like a Latino market, like Hispanic market? What is it?
Actually, this
Banderia.
is, yeah, I think this has come straight from Mexico.
Mexico.
Yeah, a friend of mine, you know, brought it for
Since
me.
1975. Okay, great.
Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna make this, we need hot
Hot
water.
water. Okay, hot water.
Put all of them here and we add hot water to
Is
actually.
it very spicy or semi-spicy?
No, it's not that spicy at all.
Ooh, what a beautiful color.
Perfect.
Is that enough?
Yeah, I think it's enough. And before we start to have the stuffing, what we're gonna do in hot water, done.
Love it.
Okay,
Beautiful.
we're gonna put
Put
this
it
one on
side.
the side.
Okay.
Okay. Now we need to have our cabbage. We're gonna go with a sharp knife around the core like that. We have hot water there, correct? Okay. Yeah.
Perfect.
Done.
Perfect.
Then we're gonna put this one core down in hot water.
There we go. And then it's just gonna all like.
Yes. Actually, I add a little bit salt in the water, and then after 10 minutes, we're gonna have this.
So we can roll our little dolma.
Yes.
All right.
Now let's do the stuffing. First, we add oil in the pan.
What kind of oil did you use today?
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Then we're gonna add this garlic and onion.
Garlic and onions.
We started the onion a little bit. We're gonna add all the spices, which is the turmeric, salt, pepper, and ginger powder.
Love it. All my favorite spices.
Yes. Smell it.
Especially the ginger powder. It just brings out all the flavors.
Then we're gonna add the eggplant. You have to season it with salt with the that bitter liquid that give everybody allergies. Yes.
What goes in next?
Then we saute the eggplant till get soft.
Soft.
After that, we're gonna add the green
Scallion?
onion. Yes.
Smell is so divine. Love it. Because you make them with love. What goes in next?
What do we need?
We
need color.
Yes, we need color.
Give me color.
I give you some bell
There
peppers.
we go. The red bell pepper for color.
Split peas that are pre-cooked.
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 You have
split
to soak in the water the night before.
peas. But you cook them as well, right?
Yes, and you cook it. Look at the color of everything here. Wow.
Love it. Beautiful. Israeli couscous.
Couscous. Israeli couscous going in there.
What if they don't have access to Israeli couscous?
Then they can make like with even quinoa.
Quinoa.
Yeah. The Israeli couscous is not a whole grain. It's a pasta.
Pasta. Yes. Whereas, so if you are gluten free, you can skip using couscous. You can use quinoa instead.
Okay, now.
Our fresh herbs. What's all the fresh herbs that we're putting in?
Okay, is cilantro, parsley, chives, and
Marze.
marze. What's marze?
Young something.
Summer savory.
Summer savory.
And what else? Chives. Now one
Yeah,
more. Chives. No, cilantro, parsley. Oh, mint.
تره لی.
Mint.
خدا تره داشتیم اینو یادش رو رفته. بابا من شستم. I'm just kidding.
Daran, 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 daran. Salt and pepper.
اینجوری اصلا ساختن از روز اول.
And definitely we need one more spice. فلفل بغل گاز
یادتون نره. یادتون نره. I'm very generous with my chef.
Yes. Perfect. Okay, this is
Ready?
ready. Yeah.
So
Okay.
this is how it looks like. It's room temperature now. So we're gonna start rolling. I'm gonna go wash my hands. Get ready for you.
Okay. Now, guys, we want to roll. But we have to take a small
rib
piece of the rib out to make it easy for us to roll.
Okay.
There's two different ways. We can do
Okay.
it like this, like take the piece out,
Mhm.
or you can completely
Pick the entire piece.
take the entire piece like that. Okay. Now we're gonna have this small amount of this,
The stuffing.
the stuffing, put it in the middle. Then you roll it. You bring this part on top, then have the right and left, and then Bita Joon, roll it. For this one that you take the rib out,
Oh, there's another trick for that one.
yes, in the middle again, you put this side first,
You make
and
it
then this
bokche.
side.
We call
Ex-
it bokche.
Oh, I love you. I will make the bokche for like your mama was it.
Love it.
Like that.
So pretty. Love
Okay.
it. Okay, I'm
Now
making
you
the
go.
next one.
Yes.
All right, let's see if I'm a good student. So I'm cutting the rib out entirely. Voila. This stuffing, you just want to take it, and you can make. We talked about it earlier to just like crack an egg, or just do.
Of
You can do
course.
so many different things with it.
Anything. I believe that. Do this. Okay. Yes.
One,
Mm-hmm.
two,
Uh-huh.
and then like that,
Mhm.
and then we gotta do what?
Roll it.
Beautiful. I did it.
Perfect.
Okay,
You
you
did it
make the next
perfect.
one, chef.
We're gonna do this. Everything in like that. And then we're gonna put this one on top.
So here's our sauce that we created with that candy. And we just got to
Yeah.
pour over it, right?
Yeah. You have to remember that cabbage leaves has a lot of water inside. That's why when you put it in the
has
oven,
enough moisture to cook. Is that enough?
I think it's perfect.
All right.
It's gonna go in the oven, 380 for 1 hour.
Look how gorgeous it looks.
And this is the sauce, which is the olive oil and pomegranate syrup, molasses, yes.
Oh.
We're gonna put this
So
on here.
beautiful.
This is the eggplant skin, but I made it crispy. We just put one here and the other one on top, like that. Oh my God!
Beautiful.
Then we have pomegranate seed wrapped in silver and gold.
Love it.
We put
I
one
get this
here.
plate, by the way.
Yeah, you're the only person. One in here.
Wow. Crispy cabbage leaves.
You're gonna put like maybe here. Another one here.
Live art in action.
Voila!
Such a beautiful piece of art by Chef Mojdeh.
Now the best part.
Joy Hannah,
Oh my
wish
God.
you're all
Yeah.
here. Okay, I'm gonna put this crispiness here. I wanna make a beautiful bite. A little bit of
I
mint.
love you.
What are they? Whoa! It's so good. Okay, خداحافظ همگی.
I think it's so
delicious.
good, yeah.
So much flavor, so many different. I mean, it's spicy enough. It's got so much freshness. I taste all the freshness. You put everything you put in here is fresh.
Thank you so much for having me. It was so fun to cook in this beautiful kitchen.
Thank you for joining, making time. I know how busy you are. We have a surprise friend joining us. یعنی تو لس آنجلسی الان؟ ای با این که شبه دم خونه منه. واه میلا بودو بیه تو در. میمون داریم. در خونه منم نشون دادی. بودو بیه تو.
گلبری جون بله، اینجایی جون بله، دوستم داری؟
ندارم.
خسته شدی؟
نمیشم.
وای 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 چقدر اطفال میریزی چه برو بریزی مردم دارم.
یعنی وقتی مندم لایوی و آدرس تو زدم دیدم که like 10 minutes away. That's it. We have one more surprise. Come on in. Come on in. بچه‌ها یه سورپرایز دیگه